Have you ever felt the weight of life's pressures squeezing the breath out of you, only to discover that a 1,000-year-old poem can hold the key to your deepest healing? Imagine a top therapist, not offering another quick fix, but unveiling the timeless wisdom of Psalm 23 as a roadmap to transform anxiety into rest, fear into trust, and exhaustion into renewal. In the next few minutes, you will learn why this ancient passage, isn't just comforting poetry, it's a clinically proven pathway to rewiring your brain for peace. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could be the moment your soul has been waiting for. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. As a therapist, I've sat with clients whose lives were dictated by constant striving chasing approval, safety, or success. But here's the breakthrough. When you let the shepherd lead, those exhausting pursuits fall away. Makes you lie down in green pastures, a metaphor, yes, but also a directive to slow your heart rate, lower your cortisol levels, and invite genuine rest. He leads you beside still waters imagery that aligns perfectly with mindfulness. Practices shown to reduce anxiety and restore mental clarity. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Restoration isn't about patching up the broken parts. It's about holistic healing, mind, body, and spirit. From a therapeutic standpoint, this means embracing grace over performance, acceptance over self-criticism. Each time you choose to follow his gentle guidance, you rewire neural circuits away from shame and toward self-compassion. The paths of righteousness become the habits and thought patterns that nurture resilience, purpose, and emotional well-being. Even when I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. In therapy, we know that fear thrives in isolation, but the shepherd's rod and staff symbolize both correction and comfort. They remind you that every misstep will be met with gentle guidance, not condemnation. You are never alone. Your defender walks with you. If these words have stirred hope in your heart, smash that subscribe button now. Comment below with your biggest breakthrough using Psalm 23, and share this video to light the way for someone else. You're part of a community that heals together, one promise at a time.